everyone, welcome to our new YouTube channel Snacks and Steak. Today I bring you everyone's favorite appetizer or snack if you want to call it. Today we have wings. So here we have the flapper and we have the drumette right here, which contains the most meat in it. So guys, now we're gonna cut the wings right here so we can separate them. So you wanna go and look for the end of the drumette, like right here. And then start cutting in it, and then you want to just add some pressure until it cracks. Here you are. Same for the other one, end of the drumette, and then you cut a little bit, and then near the end just add some pressure, and then slice it off, just like that. Now for the last one, end of the drumette, cut it a little bit, and then at the end add some pressure, and then slice it off, just like that. So now we have our wings right here. Sometimes your local butcher gives you the wings with some hair in it. You just have to plug it out easily. Okay, so now we're gonna put this aside. So now guys, we're gonna do a little mixture right here. We added about 10 grams of butter. We're gonna add about 100 milliliters of pickle juice, about 100 milliliters of condensed milk, and about 50 milliliters of water, 1 whole lemon, just squeeze it out. It's kinda a lot harder with the gloves on. Use the knife like that, kinda squeeze all the lemon out. So now we're gonna mix it until it's smooth. Just like that. And just mix it until it's smooth. Okay guys, now we're gonna add the wings in this mixture. Like that. Now we're gonna sort of mix it with the mixture. We did this mixture to take out the rawness of the chicken and give it like a slightly better taste. Okay guys, so after 30 minutes we took our wings out of the mixture. We're gonna just leave it aside. Right here we did another mixture. It's very simple. Salt, pepper, water and some flour, all-purpose flour. So now guys, we're gonna actually take our ring like that. We're gonna dip it into the mixture just like that. You wanna cover every part. And then put it in the breadcrumbs. Make sure you cover every part. It should look something like that. Okay guys, we're gonna do the same thing with the flapper piece right here. The mixture is kinda thick, but it's not like super thick. Something like it should be wiggling, but not too much. If the mixture is on the watery side, it's not gonna hold. If the mixture is on the solid side, it's not gonna work as well. Okay guys, now we finished preparing our rings right here, And we have been brewing our sunflower oil in a pan for about 10 minutes at high heat. Now we're gonna insert our rings right here in the oil. I'm not sure if you can hear the sound, but you're supposed to hear a sizzling sound. Make sure that it's super hot. Okay guys, while the chicken or the wings is cooking, we're gonna do a quick dressing right here. We're gonna use about a scoop of Greek yogurt, natural Greek yogurt. We're gonna use shredded garlic or minced garlic, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you add everything to the mixture. Okay. Now we finish with one bacon. Just like that. Make sure you add everything. Make sure you move them around, mix them together. You don't need anything specific to mix them. A spoon will do the job. Here you are, guys. Here we are, guys. Cheers. Trust me, guys, it's good.